Dakispa angot ki samla puli ka school ba nehu kentup ikino hikai bat ki staff hak arpo tarik nai wieng kilaya lumlang ban pelong daga jingduai kerpang nakabenta ka samla dari tengen po dukhei bat ka samla Stephanie Shadam ki badan hapdeng ki jingsha sumar hapo ICU Hanazaret Hospital hadian bakilangat hakajimen saujur naka jingsha tenra hakawi ka kali ka bapen hair stand hajan ka khardap gate 2 jong school ba kini ki arngot ki samla ki bidang puli ka MSc chemistry ha ka nika school ba kilangat ha ka jiman saw ha ka tege jinja ka balajia ha ka janmi jong ka khatnyo trik nai wieng ya ka nika jingalang penlong jingdwai la khat pelong da ka nehu su ki isu nehu unit nehu ta nehun sa bat ki wai pat ki kinhun ki badan hapo ka nika jaka puli ki balaya teli lang ban a ka jingka sha na ka benta ki nikilanan bat ki bahyeng hasam jongki haba ajing keren ha ka niga jingalang u president ka nehuta u professor lakhon kama ulapen rem jor ya ka tege jinja badawa ban khangno mardor ya ka kam jong ki security guard hapo ka phalau jong ka niga school ba kane ka jinja ka day ka bala ban kyar lada ka niga kam dan hangni uni unongnya onam yo satya banrung shapo ka phalau banrung di kyan lani banya kali hapo nehu claim the dan license ong u professor kama na kalyang kikinhun baro ki badan hapo ka university kila banjor halor ka jingdon kam bandan ni kila jingada ki ba kham khlan khnang ban khanglat ki ba kum ki ni jingja hadin habon kate ka kali ka balit ra ekiti ka arngot ki samla kate ka balanya da security guard ubala shok khau yang uba kerteng uparmen am sangma ubala sha kem no hakipulin
then never in future will this kind of things will be allowed in the campus, for which we demand that first of all shut down this camp which is here. Who allowed them to start a camp here? Where is the papers? We want to know how much they are paying to Nehu to start a camp, and you house them free water, free electricity, everything is provided by Nehu. Did Nehu got any money from this agency whom we are paying crores of money to provide security, which is totally namesake? And hence, I think I would demand that will be the first question, because I believe had this camp not been here, probably this accident would have not happened. This person would have not entered the campus, he would have not drank, and after that he would have not dared to drive inside the campus without a license and in drunken situation. That I've seen so many videos of accident in India and abroad. This is the gravest one that I've ever seen. God forbid it should happen to any of us. I think we have to prevent it. Come what may, we have to prevent it, friends. And it should start with this camp. Of course, the agency have already sacked this person. That still is not enough. This agency should take responsibility of what has happened. This agency we have to seriously revisit what arrangement we had with this security agency, which has taken us for granted. And we all know we are spending so much of money. There is no sense of security in the campus. I am told by teaching, non-teaching staff and students, sir, we are not feeling convenient when we walk out in our campus because there are vehicles which are totally unknown to us. We don't know how they have entered. Nobody is there in the gate. They are there chit-chatting but not checking the vehicles the way they should do. They are simply our gatekeepers. They are not really security agencies. And I with no uncertain terms, I would say that I strongly condemn this, and we cannot tolerate as university community this. They have to take responsibility. Yes, government of Meghalaya has said that they will bear the expenditure, but I think a part of this also has to come from the security agency. They have not taken care. See, when you run an agency, it's your duty to see that your employee whom you have paying salary, they are disciplined. They know the rules and regulations. They should know that you are there to provide security when you yourself are drinking and there is nobody to check you. Then this is a mockery of the security arrangement inside the campus. And that's why you will hear all sort of things happening inside the campus where the gatekeepers are just watching. And that's a very, and I'm told sometimes they even close the gate and they are not there to open it even at 5:30 in the morning. When somebody comes to the gym to use and you put the horn, they get angry. They say, why you are honking? And they are not there in the gate. Their duty is 24/7 to mend the gate. Whether it is day or night, summer or winter, you have to be there because you are paid for that. And I strongly condemn this kind of behavior by this agency. And I think university have to make sure that please revisit what arrangement, if possible, I would say you blacklist this agency. This kind of agency cannot provide security for anyone. Leave aside Nehu, where a grave situation has happened, and two of our students are serious treatment under ICU, which we really, every time I think about it, my heart cries for it.
So we came from the Canonbah Government College Students Union, Jawai. So as soon as we had news that this incident happened in the Nehu campus, so we felt very sad about hearing this news, which is the people from Regentia itself, which was being accident in the gate, and we really condemn for the driver who's being in a drunk and drive. We really condemn the drink and drive situation. So from our side, we will really keep them in our prayer from the Canonbah Government College Students Union as a whole, and as well as the Canonbah Government College students and everyone. So from our side, we will keep them in prayer. We trust in God. So that's it from our side. We came here today, give the spirit to the students, especially the two young girls from the Gentia, which they came here for studying. So hope they will recover soon. That's it from our side. Thank you very much.